welcome to Clover Wheels channel. In this model episode, we will take a look at one of my favorite vintage Italian Bburago models, in 1/43 scale. It is Range Rover, with Castrol Team stickers. Real scale car was produced from 1969 up to 1996. Range Rover possesses itself as a more comfortable and luxurious variation of Land Rover. Nowadays, classic Range Rover is a legendary off-roader, which is very highly valued. But speaking about scale models, many companies have made and continue to make different variations of it. Italian Bburago made it, in 1/43, and bigger, 1/24 scale. If 1/43 scale was made from 1982 up to 1989, first 1/24 scale models appeared in 70s, under Martoi's brand, a Bburago predecessor, and disappeared in mid-90s. So, we can say that it's a quite long-lived model. But unfortunately, only some have survived in great condition up to these days. As any 1/43 scale Bburago model, it's quite Spartan, but has its own attraction and is extremely durable. Here we go. A perfectly preserved piece of model history, and own dream that came true. Once a good toy, now it's a quite rare and respected model, that is also a good investment. Hope that you liked this video. Write in the comments which brand Range Rover Classic you have in your collection.